They began to mean that a scout, as per the universal saying which we have as scouts, once a scout is always a scout, no matter what age, cared about his achievement, society, and world as a whole, and chose to do something about maintaining and improving it. That being said, in truth, it is appropriate to mention that scouting plays an important role in every civilized community in the world today. Besides, its efficacy as a program for character building is an effective antidote to everything in life. At a time like today, in which we constantly witness the involvement of teenagers in many drugs and crime related activities, the essentiality of scouting as a character shaping and building program will be of utmost importance in ensuring a safe and secure country for our future generation. Ladies and gentlemen, therefore, we who are actually the leading stakeholders of the Scout movement, by realizing how much Scouting can do for boys and girls, must exert every effort to promote the spirit of Scouting into Sri Lankan community. Moreover, by doing so, we will be able to create a golden shield against the current menace of drug addictions, organized crimes, underworld activities, and violence among the teenagers in the country. Therefore, being responsible citizens molded through this elite organization, we all should do our level best to promote and upgrade the scouting concept among the younger generations to save them from the menace of illegal addictions spreading among the younger generations in the country today. As we are all aware, His Excellency the President Gotabaya Rajapaksa is customarily appointed as the Chief Scout of Sri Lanka. Accordingly, it is an absolute necessity for us to be in line with His Excellency the President's wisdom, vision, and national policy framework, vistas of prosperity and splendor, and to support his vision, a success in order to provide a better future and better tomorrow for the younger generations in Sri Lanka. Ladies and gentlemen, with the blessings of His Excellency the President, we are bounded by our conscience to give our fullest support towards the betterment of the Scout movement in Sri Lanka in all possible avenues available to us. In order to shadow through these mammoth objectives towards a reality, the apprehension of our responsibilities as Queens and President Scouts of this guild is a paramount important at present. Therefore, my dear friends, my sincere appreciation towards the tremendously successful conduct and tasks undertaken by the Guild for 20 years. In the end, my earnest appeal to all of you is to dedicate yourselves wholeheartedly in the service of the advancement of your Guild.